And today we're gonna do like exercise for the stiff lower back. We're gonna find the 25 pounds, 50 pounds bands. Make sure its band is really wide and strong. And the first exercise, you're gonna stay inside the band and start tilting your pelvis forward. Even you see, I started leaning forward. So what we're doing here, we work on that hip flexors, activate our glutes, and working on our anterior hip tilt. Sometimes it's not movable, so it's take time. Just bend that forward, shift your butt back. Next one, it's more like a sit-up. So deep squat, you can go slow, you don't need to go fast. What's doing up here, it's a decompress, it's pushing your spine forward, and you activate your lower back muscles, also glutes. Great exercise. Trust me, after maybe 20 or 25 times, you will feel stronger. The band is magic. You can sit down deep. It's also push your chest forward. Working on your ankles, make sure you not lift your heels up. Deep squat, yes, sit up. The band is gonna pull on that lower back. So you can also move the band sometimes up and down in this lumbar area. It depends on the disc. If you feel some tension in one area, it could be the disc is being shifted, maybe some little bulge. Next one, you're gonna step on the side, bands on the side of your hip, and you do the same squats. Why it's happened? Why we're doing that? Most of the time, we're sitting. I'm just shift aside. We're sitting unequally and shift our weights from one leg to another. Now, look at this, how I struggle. My left leg is constantly trying to collapse forward. It's truly balance your spine, activate your glutes, and do just balance. Perfect, great exercise for the morning. There we go. You can, next one, I believe I'm gonna do the single leg. Yes, this is gonna be the decompression of your hips, the hip socket. The femoral bone is gonna sometimes stick in our the hip socket, and it's uneven and it's not movable. So what we're doing here, the bone is pushing back towards your glutes, away from your body. Also, you teach yourself how to shift your back. Here we go. Yeah, you lean forward. You can touch the ground if you're not capable to do. Just keep it lean forward, and it's gonna be pushed at the femoral bone, the leg bone is back. You can make a straight back. It's kind of like a good morning exercise. You see, I'm loading my hamstring. Great exercise. Lean forward. You're going to feel really good. If you are an older person, maybe not leaning forward, just kind of decompress, step. Make sure you do this with the partner or with some trainer, because the older people need to be take care of like with attention. Next one, it's a balance exercise. We're working on that ankle, hip mobility, ankle stability, and mobility at the same time. Great exercise, single leg stance. I switch sides. Now this is we're working on the knee. So you see I put the same band on the knee, and I start moving forward and backward. It's great exercise. You're going to feel a lot of adductors activation and also on your ankle stability. Make sure you don't rush yourself. And this is great exercise. Good for recovery, before you run, before you do any weightlifting. Always good to make sure everything is worked, because when you load the weights on that poor joints, you're gonna have a problem. This is the lunges. You can skip that one if you experience any knee pain. This is like more a little bit advanced. So it's distract me, pull me to the side. I'm activate my glutes, activate my shin muscles. Everything is kind of, that's just really good exercise. It's hard in the beginning, but if you see, kind of try to lose the balance. So adjust yourself, keep the back straight, not try to lean forward. I'll show you, and when I switch, you see, here we go. People doing kind of, make sure you're not lifted. Here we go. We switch leg. Same thing. Go ahead, lean forward. Put that really good stretch on the band. Like I said, the bigger band, the best. This one is a 50 pounds. So I'll lean forward, kind of play around, like stay on my toes. Why not? I just want to experience that nice pulling sensation. It's yeah, shift loading my hamstring now. Here we go. Keep my back straight, and it's truly good. You know, even I watching this video right now, I'm experiencing that nice sensation when it's to get that hip mobility. We're always stuck in our hips, so it's a great exercise. Breathe, enjoy that exercise. Lean forward, and of course, and if you experience any pain during the exercise, stop doing it. That's when it's not functioning. So here we go. Load my hips, shift my weights, load my hips, my hamstring. Yeah, that hump exercise. That's what we're doing. Look at that. There we go. Good boy. Squeeze your glutes. Constantly squeezing your glutes. Okay, balance exercise again. That's really strong. I can feel because the band 50-pound push on the side, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of muscle activation to keep that balance. Great exercise. Like I said, the band is going to be the next generation of training. We train kinetic line. We don't train the muscles anymore. So learn about kinetic line if you want to be professional athletes and how to train them. That's the future. You see the knee abductors strengthening adductors, abductors because we go in both directions. Also stability of your ankle. If you experience knee pain, which one is on the ground, just put some towel or maybe some pad. If it's continued pain, you need to call professional and correct that. There we go. Another lunges. And that's what I wanted to show it to you today. Enjoy your day. Hey, here we go. Lose the balance. That's fine. Well, if you need more classes, correction classes, we on Patreon. We do this 7:30 in the morning. And if you have a questions about your health, you know where to find us on YouTube and Patreon. Have a good day. $12 for coffee. You don't think twice, but massage for your health.